Children, we have now come closer to the current period in terms of past climates and how life has evolved, especially us. We evolved from the primates that are closely related to us, who walk mostly on all fours, but we walk upright on two legs. It's called bipedalism. How did it evolve and how did we colonize the whole world? These are some detective works as well. Using genetic techniques, something called molecular clock. If you are not old enough to understand, don't worry about it, but basically we can look at the way genetic signatures are changing in different groups of people and go back in time to see, did we come out of one common ancestor or did we evolve separately in many places? These questions are not completely answered, but most people now present now on earth come from Africa, and there are theories about out of Africa. Now you look at the global map and try to imagine when there is an ice age and kilometers thick ice, glaciers grow on land coming to low latitudes on America and Europe and Eurasia. We mostly talk about northern hemisphere because that's where most land is. Where are those glaciers getting all that water from to freeze up? Obviously evaporating from the ocean, so sea levels can drop by tens of meters when ice ages happen. Ice ages grow and reach their maximum extent, which means there are many places where sea level drops. For example, the United Kingdom, which is now a separate island from mainland Europe, would have been connected to mainland Europe by a land called Doggerland, and when the ice age ends and the glaciers begin to melt, sea level begins to grow up, and then UK gets separated from the mainland, and Doggerland is sitting there under the ocean. There are many such bridges that opened up, from Asia into North America through the Bering Strait and all the way from Africa into the Middle East region to India, down into Indonesia and Southeast Asia, and maybe all the way to Australia. So when you see especially Aboriginal people everywhere who have been there for tens of thousands of years, then you know that things changed not just in terms of climate, but also sea levels and pathways, so that human beings, in addition to all the woolly mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, could wander around. Megafauna, we call them. We are a species that explored the world quite a bit, so we'll see more in the next podcast.